everybody, my name is Spammals and welcome back to Super Bad Vlogs, the vlogging series all about being bad at vlogging, going around the world going, hey, I'm bad at vlogging. I'm here in London because I'm taking part in MCM Comic Con London. I got a booth, you can come meet me, it's gonna be amazing. It's day one, it's about 8 AM just now. You don't care about this introduction, so let's get to let's do the thing that, yay. Hi everybody, I made a friend called Thomas. Hi Thomas. There we go, we're inside. People are still quite setting up. We've got about half an hour before doors open. Hello! Stranger danger. Stranger danger. Hi, creepy. So I've just got to our tables, having set them up yesterday, insert photo. My banner was all the way over there. And Luke and James and Game Hog's banners are randomly in the middle of the aisleway. Doors open in 5 minutes. So the idea for the vlog, so I'm gonna at some point go for a walk around the hall, show you guys what's happening, and then, I don't know, just kind of play it by ear. I'm here for funsies, to meet peoplesies. The vlog is kind of the least of my concerns, but I will do my best to show you what Comic Con is all about.
Good morning and welcome to MCM Comic Con. The exhibition is now open.
They're finally done. Sean is here and she has done her inking. It's all focused now, Temps. Now he's out of focus. Yeah, so Sean's been here, she signed them. So, boom. They are done, ready for sale. The moment is here. The supporter packs are ready. But oh, look at that, it's done. It's amazing, isn't it beautiful? Temps, you're making my shot ugly.
Oh, well.
Oh! Boom! Help yourself to one, sir. That is one happy customer. Look at this. It's your boy Spammals VR King. Got the badge and everything. Thank you, Ash. Hang on, it's out of focus.
I'll tell you what's not out of focus.
Ah!
Diet Coke Temps.
Diet Coke, yes.
I have got Diet Coke Temps from Ash. Thank you very much, Ash, for my Diet Coke me. Hello, Spammals.
Spammals, you're my least favourite YouTuber after
Game Hog.
Game Hog.
There it is. So we are stealing your camera. We're going to go around and get everyone here to insult you deeply. And we'll see how much this affects you psychologically. Let's see what happens. Welcome to MCM, which is maybe kind of mean, but with a C instead of a K.
Can I do the first insult to Spammals?
Go on.
Spammals, you don't fornicate as regularly as I do.
Oh!
So, I don't know how much I vlogged, how much I edited, or if anything even got used. But it's the end of day one. We have tidied up the tables. There's an Ed Templar of Game Hog.
It's me.
We're gonna go for food and for drinks and have good times. And we'll be back tomorrow with even more Comic Con London action. I'll see you in the next jump cut. What the fuck?
Is this Saturday? Do it again, do it again.
Hey, good morning. It's now Saturday. Hi, you have food. You have food.
Sausage and bacon roll. They had sausages for this one.
Oh my god. As coined by Dave originally, late Hog and late and James play. Oh, he's undressing for us, lads. Oh, blur it. There's no one here yet, so I'm gonna go and do the walk around the whole convention hall before it gets too busy, so we can see what they've got on offer. So let's go. Free hugs! Oh, a hug! Thank you very much, good morning. We have horns. I love the horns. There's something terrifying because they've got no eye pupils, just white voids. Anybody for a bit of Batman? Look at that guy. Look at those wings. Squirrel! Squirtle, squirrel, squirrel. I had that one yesterday, the Choco Heaven s'mores. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. Exposed! special effects, the gamer's charity. It's amazing. That's adorable, giving sick kids a power up. Well done, guys. Alright boys, it's Count Dankula. You may know him from a video about a lovely doggo.
And then you'll know me from prison.
So is that going to happen, do you think?
Yeah, the deadline to pay the fine was actually today.
Wow.
And I just sort of fled Scotland and came to Comic-Con instead.
They've got this green screen thing set up for the film that puts you in a bubble. And I'm gonna do it, because why not? So Rick and Morty crashed into old Comic-Con. Morty's in there, Rick's over there. It's amazing. Anybody for a TARDIS? I'm told this is the screen-used TARDIS from the new series, but I don't really know. Scarpa! Scarpa! The battery died, so I went and got more batteries. It's a Harry! Just a Thames. Oh my god, it's
oh
the
my
Thames.
goodness, this is amazing.
Never
Where are we
let
going,
go.
Spammals? What's
Never.
happening? I can't be dizzy for this panel.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Game Hog!
Yeah!
Hello everyone, I'm Game Hog.
I've got the smallest winky.
It's nearly the end of Saturday. It's been a long but lovely day. Met some lovely people, met new and old new peoples. We're gonna have parties tonight and then be back tomorrow for more shenanigans. Amazing. Someone fell over yesterday. I didn't get it on camera, but the dude had the slowest fall ever. He just kept falling. You could count the seconds, and he's like, smash, 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 and he killed one of their banners. So now they just got the one banner, and they're off. The delightful Charles there has returned once again on this fine Sunday with many new beverages. We have Pikachu flavour Bing. It's just clear liquids, so we haven't got a clue what Pikachu may taste like. We're going to find out now. These bottles are still bizarre. Again, we're packing up now. It's like 10 minutes to 5 minutes to something like that. We're just getting ahead of the curve here, packing up. So I'm packing this camera away, so we'll talk Post-con wrap up in a minute or now.